everybody, it's darker than I thought it'd be. But anyway, I do videos like this anyway, so yay! Today we're doing a mukbang. I don't know if you know what mukbang is, so I'm going to tell you. Basically, you have different types of foods, like Daisy's got... Daisy's got these
sweets.
They're unicorn sweets. And Daisy tell them what mukbang is.
Mukbang is where you
eat
stuff as ASMR. So, yeah. I don't know where to go with, but we got our hair colored green and blue.
Me.
Popcorn, I want some
We've
popcorn.
got popcorn and everything.
So, guys, we got different... Wait!
You can't eat all of it to yourself.
I know, sure! Okay, so guys, we've got different... Yeah? Sorry, King. So we've got different varieties. We've got some gummy treats.
I'll be having the gummy.
And then there's some sour treats.
Which
No.
you'll be having.
No, I want the popcorn.
You're going to get the popcorn. Wait. Wait, can I have the bowl that's near you, Jessica, right here? Then we have...
Sours.
No.
Sour stuff.
We have different varieties of sour stuff. We're all going to be eating these all together, so
Yeah.
don't mind.
I'm just
We
holding these.
have some caramel popcorn, I think.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat that now. It's like caramelly popcorn. Caramel popcorn. And we got some sour laces. Oh, and
We've got
some
a biscuit variety.
some yummy little
Unicorns.
unicorn. And they're really gummy.
Yeah, and
We've
got
got
some
these, which is sour cream and onion.
Bye.
Another sour cream and onion, but they're biscuits. Sour cream and onion star.
We've got like little fishes.
Little fishes. We got a little bit of pretzels left. Some sour cream and onion of these little circle product things. And a sour cream and onion. Actually, no, it's not sour cream and onion. It's a normal
Teddy bear.
cream and onion. Yeah. It's not sour though. It's sour cream.
No.
But it's just a normal shortbread bear. And yeah, so let's just get on to the... By the way, we're tasting these. We're like doing mukbangs. So all together, I'm just going to put that there. Actually, wait.
Just a lot of stuff.
Oh, get back in there. So guys, if you're wondering how we got all this stuff, we had a party, not like...
Well, we had a party, but we got our hairspray because we were...
We got our hairspray because we wanted to. We'll show you that in a different video. But yeah, so we got a biscuit,
Yeah,
a
hers-
gummy.
This side's pink, this side's blue.
Yeah, and I just tied mine up here.
This side of mine's pink, this side of
By the
mine's
way,
pink.
guys, if you're coming to the what's it called again?
Bonfire night.
Bonfire night tomorrow, you can meet us there.
Yeah.
We
So
can meet you
us,
guys.
some fans, you can have autographs, but I don't think there'll be many of you there.
I don't think there'll be any of them there, to be honest.
Me either.
So, guys, if you're watching this now, comment down below if you
If you're coming tomorrow.
and yeah, and comment down below, like, subscribe, and yeah. Oh, by the way, the word of the day is 3, 2, 1, firework. Because we had sparklers today and it was so fun.
And tomorrow's bonfire night, so we'll have loads of fireworks.
Which is fireworks. And also the army is going to be there
Yeah.
to look after the people.
And there
the
might
kids.
be some, like, floats, parades,
The parades and stuff. And there's going to be fireworks all going off in the sky.
So I hope we see some of you there.
And also make sure...
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you're going.
coming.
And yeah, so the word of the day is firework, and let's just get into tasting these foods. So the first thing we're going to be trying are these gummy kind of unicorns. They're pink, they're only pink. You can get them in different colours, but we've only got pink today.
Yeah, because we ate the white
1,
ones.
2,
and that.
3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6, so we get 3 each. So
Take your 3.
take your 3.
It doesn't really matter.
So then we've got 3 each. They're in this like jack-o'-lantern box. It says Happy Halloween.
Even though Halloween was like 3
So-
days ago.
Yeah,
We didn't get to go.
yeah. 3 days ago we didn't get to go. So Daisy came over mine, and we've got Happy Halloween bowl plate thing. So let's get into tasting these. So let's just do this. Let's taste these. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh yeah, I cracked my mirror.
Okay.
My highlighter
Good.
mirror.
Look at that.
You know this adds eyelashes to your eyes.
Okay. This. Real good. I thought they looked that, by the way. Oh, really good. They're not like full unicorns, but really good. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my last one, they're so nice.
What one? What? So
We are full of gummies.
there's so many gummies here. We're gonna have a headache. We're gonna have loads of acne.
Ugh.
I hate acne.
Next time I'm just gonna eat one.
Sorry about that. That's just a fireworks going off there.
No, that's your sister on the hoverboard.
The fireworks just went off. Look.
Right, what are we gonna try next out of these?
So let's see what we're gonna try. Next, we're gonna try
Little
these.
pretzel sticks, but there's not many left.
So let's just get some. I'm gonna 2, 3, 2, 1, go. Trying to get one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Really nice. Oh, salty.
So let's get on to the next one. Next, we're gonna do these.
Shortbread bears.
They're shortbread bears. Let's get started. Just grab one. 3, 2, 1, go. No,
Salty shortbread bears.
Oh, very salty. I love that.
No, actually
Still, they're very good. You know, like normal. If you have these in the
normal flavour, like no salt or
if
anything.
you have these in the US, we live in the UK. We live in the UK. If you have these in the US, then
put it down in the comments below. So let us
tell
know.
us if you, and then send us it through Instagram or Musically
Snapchat.
or Snapchat, and then send it to us. You tasting them. So yeah, we're welcome. We'll get back to you. Sorry guys. So
We're still eating those bears.
next we're gonna try these
Sour cream and onion. Like
sour cream and
circles.
onion like circles with holes inside. So get 1, 3, 2.
No, I'm still eating a bear.
Yeah.
Oh.
While you do that. Oh, fun.
I just finished.
Try her. Fun. I don't taste like anything anymore. So 3,
2,
1.
They are weird.
I don't know what it tastes like.
It tastes like cheese. No, thank you.
You only like stinky cheese. Do you only
Yeah,
like
no,
stinky
like-
cheese?
Yeah, I like a certain cheese.
You like stinky cheese.
Yeah.
Most
Let's get on to the next one.
So,
Next, we're going to be doing these little
Goldfish.
goldfish things.
Oh,
So
fine.
let's try them.
There's a goldfish.
They're just like normal goldfish, like cheddar goldfish.
Okay, so they taste like normal goldfish from America,
Yeah. But there's
So-
like turtles as well.
but they're oh, there's little mouses as well. So these are normal animals.
Yeah, but they're like hollow inside, so they're really crunchy.
Ready to hear the crunch? Get one. Come that looks really crunchy. 3,
3,
2.
Yeah,
It's
you're gonna
so
hear the
crunchy.
crunch. Right, let's go on to the next one.
Next we're doing these. Sour cream and onion. We'll go. Right. Up to eat one.
Bears. They smell absolutely disgusting. But let's try it.
3. Wait. 3, 2, 1.
Mmm.
No,
Tastes like
really good.
pasta. Tastes like pasta.
Yeah, it tastes like pasta.
Right. Okay. We'll go on to the next one.
Next we're going
Next
to be
we're
trying
doing
like
these.
these.
They're just like normal biscuits, but yeah. Ooh! No.
Anything we don't like, we're putting in here.
I love the way you
No. More goldfish.
So you get started.
Next we're doing popcorn. Let's just get one. We haven't tried
Let's go
this
up
one yet.
close to the camera so they can hear it.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, go popcorn.
Now some popcorn.
Alright. That's salty popcorn.
Yes.
That caramel at the same time.
So we mix them together basically. So this is what we bought. So yeah.
I've never tried these before.
I haven't tried any of these before. Just want to try them.
See you on the next one. Next we're doing these
Gummies.
Halloween
Gummies.
gummies. And they're basically Haribo, but they're really different colours.
I'm getting
No,
this.
try an egg with me.
Okay, so basically we have to try
We're
the same
trying
thing.
the eggs.
We're trying the eggs first. It's just
Oh,
a version.
fruity. Like a fruity egg.
I like it to be honest.
Let's do the rings next.
Wait, you know all that bread stuff, that biscuit stuff? I won't go in my teeth because it's disgusting.
I know. Anyway, get a ring. A blue one.
A blue? On the phone. Hey, wait. Hey y'all,
If
I'm
you like it,
married.
you should have put a ring on it.
Hey y'all, I'm getting married. 3, 2, 1.
Cola. We'll see you on the next cola. Okay, so I don't like sour stuff. So the next two she's going to be trying, but I'm
3.
trying this last one.
Okay.
So they're like these sour laces.
Ropes. It's our ropes. We got these all from America.com.
Wait, what?
3, 2, 1. Oh, sour guys, sour. So if I get any of these and you want to try them, you may. 3. Oh, they're like a guitar.
It's so sour.
Take a bite. At the edge of my mouth, you know when it's sour? It really hurts.
We'll see you next time. Now she's starting the others. I'm not going to be in this part, so bye guys.
So,
Can I ride your hoverboard?
that means I get to ride it as well.
Don't charge.
Oh, okay.
No, it isn't. Ah.
Right there.
Oh, I need to put it on.
Can I ride it?
I
And then
didn't
she
want
go
you
like
to
after.
until.
Yeah, but me and Lily are only going to ride it for...
5
No.
minutes each. 4 minutes.
That's why.
2 minutes.
No.
2
How long you say we can?
30 seconds.
Okay, that's fine.
No, what? No, it was a joke.
So guys, we're going to be ending the video here. Goodbye.